Established on April 1st, 1998, Chandar Manufacturing Company Limited specializes in designing, developing, and manufacturing kitchen equipment and home appliance parts. Most of our products are exported to the Middle East, Europe, North America, Australia, and other countries all over the world. Some of them are also sold on local market. Our factory located in Guangdong, Yingde, Qingyuan, covering an area of over 30,000 square meters. Our factory is fully equipped with various advanced DISA machine and enameling lines. In addition, our company focuses on the standard management. We have passed the ISO 9001. Our main products including cast iron pan supports, grills, grids, griddle plates, burners, fireplace, and parts. We warmly welcome all kinds of sample production, ODM or OEM, and we also welcome customers to buy our ready products or to be our agents in your countries. With more than 20 years exportation experience, we hope to build long-term business relationship with customers from all over the world. Our mission is high quality, competitive price, and good service.